Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Tesla Model Y in neutral. Engaging neutral is a straightforward process, but it's important to know the correct steps. First, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal to prevent any unintended movement. If your vehicle is currently in park, simply give the drive stalk a brief, gentle push either up or down to its first position. You will then see a clear N for neutral appear on your touchscreen, indicating the shift is complete. Shifting into neutral from drive or reverse is also quite simple. If you are in drive, gently push the drive stalk up to the first position and release it. Conversely, if you are in reverse, push the stalk down to the first position. If features like auto steer or traffic-aware cruise control are active, you will need to hold the stalk in that first position for more than 1 second to ensure these systems disengage before neutral is engaged. For situations requiring your Model Y to roll freely over a longer period, such as loading onto a flatbed truck, you'll want to activate tow mode. First, ensure your vehicle is in park and your foot is on the brake. On your touchscreen, navigate to Controls, then Service, and finally select Towing. Press and hold the brake pedal, then touch Enter Tow Mode. Remember, this mode is for very short distances, typically under 5 miles per hour, and less than 30 feet. When taking your Model Y through an automatic car wash mode is incredibly useful. This specialized mode ensures your vehicle remains in neutral and prevents unintended actions. To activate it, go to Controls, then Service, and select Car Wash Mode on your touchscreen. This will automatically close all windows, lock the charge port, and disable features like automatic wipers. Your Tesla will stay in neutral, allowing for a smooth and safe wash experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.